Marty, why are we still here? It's past 5 p.m. I'm gonna be late.
I don't know. Some executive jag is coming by. Gonna make sure we have like enough toilet paper or something.
We are out, actually.
Oh, well.
And I'd be damned if I miss wing night tonight.
Put that beaver down. Beavers are not for bozos.
Who are you?
I'm the guy that decides which one of you gets fired. Do I have your attention now? Listen, dipshits, you have the worst rated park reserve in the entire state, and the board has sent me here to fix it. My solution was matches and gasoline. But HR deemed that too extreme. So they showed some grace and said I could fire one of you, hoping the rest of you get on track and do your fucking jobs.
Are you saying one of us is gonna get fired?
You're a smart guy. We should keep you.
Nice.
Sit down. Look, I'm exhausted and this is the last place I want to be. So you guys are gonna come together and decide who goes home.
You serious?
You bet your ass I'm serious.
Oh, hey, well, okay. Wait, guys, let's be cool about this, all right? No need to start, like, pointing
It
fingers.
should be Leonard.
What? You can't fire me. I'm the lead naturalist.
Yeah, and you shouldn't be. You hate animals. You're terrified of them.
Nice to have some light on in here. Jesus! That's bullshit. I love animals. With the fangs and germs and lice. Hey, stop writing. If anyone should be fired, it's Brent.
Huh?
And what do you do?
I'm the director of community education and engagement.
All he does is sing shitty songs.
You and me and the trees make three. We just want to be happy. Everybody! Buzz, 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 love, love, love. Buzz, 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 love, love, love.
Mom, can we go home?
Shitty songs?
And since you and Gina split, they've gotten worse.
A bee should never cheat on a flower. And she shouldn't sleep with the realtor Carl Brownstone. He's real rich and she's a real bitch.
They say to write from the heart. What about Marty? He sucks.
And which one is Marty?
I'm the manager. Kind of run this ship.
And you never deserved that job.
Hey, I applied and interviewed for this job just like everyone else before my mom gave it to me.
You're also insanely inappropriate sometimes.
When? Hey there. You, know what they say about horny animals?
Oh, look, a woodpecker.
You want to look at my woodpecker? It's a joke, okay? Comedy? If you don't have a sense of humor, maybe you should be fired.
And what about you?
Oh, hi, I'm Denise. I'm Executive Vice President of Commerce and Donation Acquisitions.
She runs the gift shop.
Hi, how much for this stuffed wolf?
You can just have it. I sold 8 keychains last week, thank you very much.
Yeah, but you bought them. And you said they was half off.
Well, Terry's supposed to give tours and he doesn't know anything. He literally makes shit up.
Yeah, and right here we got the purple Rainis tree, genus name Apollonia 6.
Isn't that a pine tree?
Yeah, it's just a street name though. Oh, come on. I know this stuff like the back of my hand.
Tell me, what kind of fox is that?
Oh, that's a firefox.
This guy hasn't said a word. Maybe I should fire him.
Dude, no, not Rip.
I'm gonna write a song about you.
Please don't.
That bird was an endangered species.
And we were in danger. No one will know.
No, you can't. Not Rip, dude. No way.
I'll make a deal with you. Rip gets to stay, but he has to decide who goes. Well, I guess it's settled.
Man, wait a goddamn minute. You cannot fire Rip, because I quit.
And I quit too.
You know what? I'm out.
And me.
I'm Spartacus. I also quit.
Canis lupus Linnaeus.
What?
It means wolf.
Yeah, we're a pack.
And you can buy a pack of these for only $3.99 from the gift shop.
This calls for a song.
No, Brent, no,
Joe,
absolutely
please
not.
don't do this to
Read
me.
the
I was
rule.
having a
Read
good
the
day.
rule.
Well, that's what I call being a team. Very courageous. Now you guys are ready for the next step.
We're getting promotions?
No, you're all fired. We're turning this dump into Topgolf. Enjoy unemployment, assholes.
No, take Rick. Take Rick. No, come on, he's dead. He's not even alive, dude. He doesn't do anything. He doesn't do anything.
You and me and the trees make three. We just want to be happy. Love, 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 buzz, buzz, buzz. Love, 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 buzz, buzz, buzz. Love, 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 buzz, 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 buzz. You and me and the bees make one whole big family. And love, 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 buzz, buzz, buzz. Love, 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 buzz, buzz, buzz. Love, 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 buzz, 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 honey. Everybody, love, 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 buzz, buzz, buzz. Love, 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 buzz, buzz, buzz. Love, 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 buzz, 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 honey.